All right, let's get straight to it. So go ahead and download the repository. So download the zip. While that's downloading, if you already downloaded the BMC, sorry, but you're going to have to uninstall it. The way you do that, you go to Edit Preferences, type in BMC, and then once that pops up, uncheck it and hit Remove. And then you're going to have to reinstall it. And you have to do that in order to make sure the changes are propagated properly. So the repository was downloaded, and this is what I'm going to be teaching you guys. This is body.blend. It's inside the repository. I use this rig and mesh from Blend Swap. So thank you so much for making it, and it looks really good with the BMC add-on. So as you can see here, we're going to hit Create the body motion capture. Once that is created, we're going to scale down the armature. Don't touch the BMC armature. Edit your own armature. There's still some bugs about, the world coordinate system and stuff. You're going to have to rotate it by 180 degrees, as I just showed you. Again, it's a little buggy. That's the reason why you have to do it. So the next thing that we're going to have to do is we're going to have to change it from IK to FK. And I'm doing that by clicking on all those. And for each limb, you have to change the value from 0 to a 1. So I'm doing that for the left, right, and now for the leg, and then the leg. Cool. Okay. So we have that good. So now you need to rotate it so that way it matches up. You'll get the best results if it matches the closest to the BMC armature. Now we have to do the naming scheme of all the bones. So as you can see here, that's all the bones. And I will provide a link to the description of all the bone names. So as we can go here, we're going to be editing the names. So we have this guy. We're going to change it to, let's see, spine upper. And then the torso, we're going to change to spine lower, like that. And that seems to work pretty well when I do it like that. And then for the limbs, you're just going to delete the underscore FK part. So I'm just going to be doing that. And I just want to do a quick shout out to, I think it's Brad Peterson. Here, let's see, let me just make sure. Yeah, Brad Peterson. He's the one who gave me the idea to do the connection by doing the damp tracking. So thank you so much, Brad Pearson, for communicating with me and improving the BMC app. It was a big help. So thank you so much. And as you can see, we're changing it right there. Okay, cool. So once that's all finished, you're going to first click on the BMC armature. And it has to be in this order. So click on that first, and click on your armature in that order, then hit connect. If everything's happy, you won't get any errors. If you do, look at the errors. Probably it's naming error. And as you can see, if it worked, you should get little bones. Now you need to go to the test cap folder that you have your motion capture in. So this is where I have mine. It's in the repository. I would suggest doing this first to make sure it's working, then using your own. So once I have that, then I hit apply, and it'll apply the data. So I did this recording on my iPhone, and then we just imported it into Blender. So very exciting. And it looks pretty good. And it's just little by little, it's going to get better and better. So this is my GitHub LinkedIn. Oh, so this is Brad Peterson. As you can see, he made the little lizard. And then this is Robin Bethany. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correct. He did this amazing face using BMC. And I need you guys. So change that we to I. I need you guys to use this app, to give me comments, to give me feedback. My email is pjardine@me.com. I just showed you my LinkedIn. But yeah, be free to email me of how I can improve this, how we can change the Blender community, and for everyone to be able to animate. I mean, this is the time. We're all stuck at home right now. So let's take this opportunity and do something really cool. So hopefully soon I'll provide you guys a new video. So until then, I'll see you guys later.